Hey family, it's your girl K from kCharles Couture. And I'm sorry, but I forgot to do an intro for yesterday. So I'm gonna do it this morning. So today is day 3. I am on travel. Listen, I just got this company. I just became the CEO of the company 2 days ago and I'm already on travel. But you do what you gotta do when you want your business to be successful. So I am on travel. Stay tuned with me today. It's gonna be an adventure. All right, y'all. So I'm putting my boot on, but I just want y'all to see something. So underneath of here, I have where my they got my toes all taped, and I have another sock on, and then I put this sock on for because it's a little warmer. So actually, I want 2 socks right now, 2 socks, and plus some bandages and stuff underneath of it. But I got this sock on to keep my foot from getting cold outside, y'all, because it's October and it's definitely getting cold. So I want my feet cold, so I got on my sock. But check out your girl. She looking cute, right? I got my kCharles Couture t-shirt on. kCharles. Oh, let me put it down like that. I got my kCharles Couture t-shirt on, of course. I got on some jeans, which are comfy. Hey y'all, so I'm on this cardigan because I gotta get me some food to be on this train with. And I'm thinking about this little chicken right here. 35, 46. I don't know what that is. But anyway, y'all, so I'm thinking about getting this little chicken right here. And it's 50% off. So that means it's $4.49. It's only $2. Let's get that. I'm gonna get some chips and something to drink. Yeah. And I tell y'all, so I'm in the food line cart this thing, y'all. And they don't have as much, this one don't got as much pack as the one from Walmart. They got some little potato salads over here. The things you have to do to travel to the city. I see y'all in a little bit. Peace out. Hey, so friends, it's your girl K Stu, and this is the end of day 3. Let me tell you, I'm not sure how comfortable I'm going to be when I'm asleep tonight, but it doesn't matter because I'm always going to show up when I need to for people that I love, and that's what I'm doing today. But I'm also going to take advantage of being on travel at the end of day 3 tomorrow because I'm going to go hit the fabric store. I was looking for some material choices for my bomber jacket that I'm going to do so that I can enter the contest with Black Swan Network in Chicago. So I want to do a bomber jacket, y'all. But the trouble I'm having is, most bomber jackets, you can grab them and you can put logos or patches or whatever you want to do on there. And I do plan to do that. I'm going to have my kCharles Couture patch. I'm going to have a BSN patch. I'm going to have a sorority patch. I'm going to do all those things on my jacket. So the problem I'm having is the color. So we know normally a bomber has like different color sleeves and it does the body or something like that. And when I tell you I have been on my iPad sketching up different colors, trying to get that right, it's something about it that's gonna pop, that's gonna say these are the colors you want to use. Now everyone knows that purple is my favorite color, but I don't want to do another purple jacket. I already have a purple leather jacket that I'm in the process of making. So I don't need a purple leather. I don't need a purple bomber. Let's just say that. So now I'm just trying to decide what other colors do I like just as much as purple to make my jacket. I don't know. But stay tuned because tomorrow when I get up, we're going to be going out to the stores together. And this time I want to actually keep my camera on so you can see what I'm doing. It's going to be a day in the life while on travel. So I will talk to you all tomorrow. Have a good night. See you soon.